How to upload your videos on Facebook to get more views. If you are not getting views on your videos, it may be the way you are uploading your videos. In this video, I will walk you through the step by step on how to upload your videos on Facebook so I can start getting more views on your video. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any of these steps that will show you on how to get more views on your videos. So let's dive straight into the video.
Go to your Google Chrome or any browser that you are using, then type business.facebook.com, then sign up. So if you are using it for the first time, it's going to ask you for you to sign up. I've already signed up in using this business.facebook.com. that is why it logged me directly into my page. But if you are using it for the first time, they are going to ask you to sign up. So sign up with your Facebook username or your Gmail that you used to register your Facebook, then log in to your account. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Now to upload your videos, that you want to upload long videos or you want to upload a reel. So I want to upload a reel, then you click on reels. Then you click on add video. So it's going to take you to your gallery, then go and select that video that you want to add, mark that video, then click on done. So it's going to bring you back, and next is for you to add your title in this box here. So your title is very important too if you want to upload your video, because if you don't add the title to your video, the algorithm will not push your video because they don't know what you are uploading. They will not know the audience they want to push your video to. Once you are done entering your video title, you can add hashtag to it. But if you want to add hashtag to any video, make sure that the hashtag is not more than, it should not be more than 4. You can still leave it without adding hashtag, because if you want to add the hashtag to any video, it should be related to that video. Then the next thing here that is very important, if you scroll down you will see tags, which is optional, but this is very important. This is where you add relevant keyword to help people find your video so that your video can be discovered even outside Facebook. So you add relevant keywords in these sessions. So once you are done adding all the relevant keywords that you want to use, then the next option here is very important, which is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing people will see before they will click on your video. So you need to add a very catchy thumbnail. So we have different options here that I can use to add thumbnail. We have a suggested thumbnail, which is the one that they have already suggested. So if you want to make use of any of the suggested one, just click on that one that you want to make use of here. But if you don't want to make use of any of the suggested one, you can, if you click on this choose from frame, from here you can choose from what is inside the video and then select that part that you want to use. Then if you have a thumbnail that you design, you can click on upload to upload that thumbnail here. So let's say we want to choose from our frame, click on choose from frame, then click on choose frame, then you go and select, just be clicking until you get to that particular place that you want to choose from. So let's say we want to choose from this frame. Now once you select to that place, then you come down and click on save thumbnail. So once you click on save thumbnail, it gives you some time, it's going to save the thumbnail. Then your video is still uploading, so make sure that your video also upload to 100 before you move to the next step. Once your video is done uploading, you are going to start scanning your video. So you can see that they are scanning my videos, they are checking for copyright content. So they are checking my content, if my content have copyright. So just give it a little time for them to check if your content have copyright or not. So you can see that your video is safe to publish, so my content does not have any copyright. Then you can now move to the next step. So you click on next to go to the next step. So we bring you to this interface. This place, if you want to add sound to your video, you can make use of this place. But if you don't want to add any background music to your video, you can move to the next step. So we are going to click on next. Now here you can schedule your video or you can post your videos immediately. Now the first option here is add to playlist. If you have not created a playlist, you will not be able to add a playlist. So you just click on turn on this. Once you turn on this, if you have not created a playlist, you can be able to create a playlist. Yes, you can see create new playlist, but I've already created a playlist, so I'm going to select a playlist that I want this video to belong to. Now playlist is very important because playlist will help your video to be for people to watch more of your video. So if somebody watch a video that belongs to a playlist, the next video that will be recommended to that person is a video that belongs to the same playlist. So that's why playlist is very important. It will help people to watch more of your videos. Now the next option here is to share to stories. So if you want your video to be shared to story, then you turn it on. And the next option is to share to a group. If you want to share to a group, that means you want to post your video immediately. But if you want to schedule your video, you cannot share to a group. Then the next option is add pool. That one is optional. Then click on advanced distribution. For the advanced distribution, if you want to track your video, if you want maybe other people not to post your video, you can turn on that one. But if you don't want, you can leave it. I want other people to post my video, so I'm going to allow other pages to post my video. So the next step is for you to share your video. So if you want to post your video immediately, then you just click on share. But if you don't want to post your video immediately, if you want to schedule your video, then you come to schedule. So this is how to post your video on Facebook and get more views on your videos on Facebook.
If you got value from this video, do to like this video, share this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. So that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notifications. If you want to get access to other videos, you want to get more views on your video, I want to upload videos on different platforms and get more views. You can watch the video that I show next on your screen, and you can check the description of the video. So I'll see you in my next video.